What if I told you the future isn't coming? It's already here. I'm talking about gadgets and tech so advanced they sound fake, but you can actually use them today. From AI that reads your thoughts to rings that track your health, we're diving into 10 real futuristic technologies you won't believe exist right now. Number one, 3D food printers. Yes, you heard that right. Printing food is now a real thing. Companies like BuyFlow, BHEX, and Natural Machines are revolutionizing how we cook and eat with 3D food printers that can create anything from gourmet meals to custom-shaped desserts, all with the push of a button. Want a pizza shaped like your face? Done. Need a precisely portioned meal for a hospital patient with dietary restrictions? It can do that too. These printers work by layering edible ingredients, like dough, purees, or chocolate, with stunning precision. In high-end restaurants, chefs are using them to create impossible-to-handcraft designs. While in the medical field, they're helping deliver personalized nutrition for elderly or ill patients who can't eat solid food. Some printers are even experimenting with insect proteins, plant-based ingredients, and lab-grown meat pastes to create sustainable meals for the future. The best part? No waste, no mess, and full customization. You could soon have a printer at home that prepares your meals based on your health goals, nutrient needs, and even taste preferences. All automated. So yeah, you won't just be cooking dinner anymore. You'll be downloading it. Number two, smart rings. Think of a smartwatch. Now shrink it down to your finger. That's the magic of smart rings, like the Aura Ring Gen 3 and the Ultra Human Ring Air. These tiny wearables are changing the game in health and performance tracking. Unlike bulky watches, smart rings are lightweight, stylish, and nearly invisible, yet they pack a powerful punch. They monitor your heart rate, sleep cycles, blood oxygen, skin temperature, movement, and recovery metrics 24/7. But it doesn't stop there. The latest models now detect stress levels, give you real-time readiness scores, and even warn you of early signs of illness before you feel it, like an invisible health guardian on your hand. Athletes use them to optimize peak performance. CEOs use them to manage sleep and focus. And regular folks, they're using them to take control of their health like never before, all with zero screens or distractions. Some smart rings even sync with AI health coaches, giving you personalized feedback based on your data. It's the future of wellness. Simple, sleek, and always on your finger. Quick pause. If you're loving this mind-blowing tech so far, smash that like button so YouTube knows this video is worth sharing. And hey, we do videos like this every week. So if you're into future gadgets, AI tools, and next-gen inventions, hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Number three, AI-powered personal assistants that learn you. Forget Siri and Alexa. They're the old guard. Meet the next generation. Pi AI, ChatGPT-4, Claude, and even Meta's Llama-powered bots. These AI assistants don't just follow commands. They learn you. They understand your tone, remember your preferences, and adapt to your daily habits. It's like having a full-time personal assistant who never sleeps, never forgets, and is available 24/7 in your pocket. Need a daily productivity plan? Done. Want emotional support after a rough day? They'll talk to you like a therapist. Can't remember your friend's birthday or what you plan to eat this week? They've got it all logged. Some even help with financial tracking, fitness coaching, and goal setting. Personalized just for you. And with constant updates from companies like OpenAI, Anthropic, and Inflection AI, these tools are getting more human-like by the day. This isn't voice control anymore. It's life companionship through intelligence.
Subscribe to my channel.
Number 4. AI-powered fitness mirrors. Why drag yourself to the gym when your mirror can now be your personal trainer, form coach, and fitness partner? All in one? Devices like Lululemon Studio Mirror, Tonal, and Form are turning your wall into a smart, AI-powered workout station. These mirrors do more than just stream workouts. They actually see you, correct your form in real time, and adapt routines to your strength, stamina, and goals. Thanks to built-in cameras, sensors, and AI tracking, they monitor your reps, posture, and effort, giving you instant feedback just like a real coach. No more guesswork, just scientifically optimized training. Need yoga at sunrise? HIIT at lunch? A relaxing cool down at night? It's all on demand, and some even offer live virtual classes with professional trainers watching and guiding you in real time. Tonal takes it a step further, combining AI with digital weights that automatically adjust resistance during your lifts, giving you a full gym workout from just a wall-mounted unit. This is smart fitness reimagined. Private, personalized, and insanely efficient. And yes, it looks slick in your living room too. Number 5. Augmented reality glasses. AR isn't just for gaming anymore. It's becoming a seamless extension of your vision. With next-gen smart glasses like Ray-Ban Meta, X Real Air, and Rokid Max, you're stepping into a world where the digital blends with reality, right before your eyes. Imagine walking down the street and seeing turn-by-turn navigation floating in your line of sight, or getting real-time captions as someone speaks to you in another language. Need your messages, calendar, or even a Zoom call? It's all there. It's without pulling out your phone. Ray-Ban Meta glasses now come with built-in AI assistance, voice commands, and even a camera that can identify objects or translate signs on the go. X Real Air offers an ultra-light AR display that turns any space into a private cinema or multi-screen workspace, all powered by your smartphone or laptop. And this is just the beginning. Companies are working on glasses that integrate with AI vision, meaning you'll soon get live summaries of what you're looking at, whether it's product info, facial recognition with permission, or contextual facts about your environment. This is the next evolution of screenless tech, hands-free, voice-powered, and perfectly blended into everyday life. Science fiction? Nope. You can buy them right now. Number 6. Language translating earbuds. Imagine landing in a new country, no translator, no phrasebook, no problem. Just pop in your earbuds, and suddenly you speak the language. Devices like the Time Kettle WT2 Edge, Ambassador Interpreter, and Google Pixel Buds Pro are revolutionizing how we connect across languages. These aren't just translating words. They're enabling real-time, two-way conversations. You speak in English, your new friend hears it in Japanese. They reply in Japanese, and you hear perfect English. It's like having a universal translator from Star Trek, but it's in your pocket. The WT2 Edge, for example, supports over 40 languages and 90-plus accents with up to 95% accuracy. It even works offline in key languages, which means no awkward silence when Wi-Fi drops. Plus, the dual mic system reduces background noise, so it's great for travel, business meetings, or even casual chats abroad. Whether you're navigating a street market in Bangkok or closing a deal in Berlin, these earbuds break down barriers and open up the world. Literally. Number 7. Foldable phones and dual screens. Phones aren't just getting smarter, they're literally bending reality. Devices like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, Google Pixel Fold, and the Microsoft Surface Duo 2 are redefining what a smartphone can be. These aren't gimmicks. They're full-blown functional devices that unfold into tablets and transform how we multitask. Imagine opening your phone like a book, checking emails on one side, taking notes on the other, or gaming on a massive screen that fits right back in your pocket when you're done. With powerful processors, split-screen capability, and stunning AMOLED displays, you're carrying a productivity powerhouse that flexes with your needs. Literally. Samsung Z Fold 5, for instance, is thinner, lighter, and more durable than ever, with an under-display camera and seamless app continuity. And with stylus support, it's like a mini workstation for creators, business users, and power multitaskers. Even dual-screen devices like the Surface Duo 2 give you two apps side by side, perfect for watching YouTube while replying to emails or playing music while editing documents. Number 8. Smart Home Robots. Forget everything you know about robots from old sci-fi movies. The future of home robotics is friendly, helpful, and surprisingly real. Meet Amazon Astro, LEQ, and a new generation of AI-powered companions that are transforming how we live at home. These robots don't just move, they interact, learn, and even show personality. Amazon Astro is like Alexa on wheels. It navigates your home, checks in on rooms, patrols for security, delivers video calls, and even brings you snacks. It can recognize faces, follow voice commands, and give you updates from anywhere. It's your personal home assistant with a curious personality. Then there's EleQ, designed specifically for older adults. It's more than a gadget. It engages in natural conversation, reminds users to take meds, suggests activities, and even initiates wellness check-ins. Think of it as a digital caregiver, helping seniors stay connected and independent. And the evolution doesn't stop there. Companion robots like Moxie for children or robotic vacuums and lawnmowers are becoming smarter, more interactive, and deeply integrated into daily life. Number 9. Wearable brain sensors. Yeah, we've officially entered the era of mind over machine. Devices like Muse 2, Muse S, and NextMind aren't science fiction anymore. They're real wearable brain tech that reads your brain waves in real time. Whether you're looking to sharpen your focus, reduce stress, improve sleep, or even control digital devices using your thoughts, these headsets are bringing neurotechnology to the mainstream. Muse, for example, acts like a personal meditation coach. It uses EEG, electroencephalography sensors, to detect your mental state, calm, focused, or distracted, and gives you real-time audio feedback. If your mind wanders during meditation, it gently guides you back. It's like a mirror for your brain. Then there's NextMind, which goes a step further. It lets you control interfaces using your thoughts. Imagine playing a video game, clicking buttons or adjusting settings just by thinking. It reads neural activity in the visual cortex and converts it into direct digital commands. And now, newer startups are pushing this even further with non-invasive neural headbands, aimed at boosting memory, enhancing learning, and even communicating with AI hands-free. And lastly, number 10, portable solar generators. Imagine powering your devices, your phone, laptop, even a refrigerator, without ever plugging into a wall. That's not science fiction, that's portable solar tech, and it's revolutionizing the way we use electricity. Devices like the Jackery Explorer series, EcoFlow Delta, and Bluetti power stations offer silent, emission-free, off-grid power wherever you are. Whether you're camping in the mountains, living van life, or facing a blackout at home, these solar generators turn sunlight into a reliable energy source, fast. They're compact, lightweight, and come with foldable solar panels that charge during the day and keep your gadgets running through the night. And unlike gas-powered generators, there's no noise, no fumes, just clean, renewable energy. Some models can even power TVs, CPAP machines, power tools, and full home backup systems during emergencies. With fast charging, app control, and multiple output ports, it's like carrying a mini power grid in your backpack. So there you have it, 10 real technologies from the future that you can actually use today. The world is changing faster than we think, and we're already living in tomorrow. If you love discovering these, do me and yourself a favor. Hit like, tap subscribe, and ring the bell icon so you never miss future tech that's changing our lives. and let me know in the comments. Which of these would you want to try first? Or better yet, which one do you already use? Let's talk below.